Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to get ClickFunnels free templates. My name is Jed Albring. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to give you two resources to get your free templates, your free ClickFunnels templates. So the first one is, a lot of people don't know about this, but it's called Funnel Fridays. It's free to sign up. You just, it's basically an extension website, so to speak, of ClickFunnels where they do live demonstrations of funnels. So you do have to opt in, just give them your email, and then you can watch all the videos. But what's really cool is after you watch the videos, so what they do is every Friday, Jim Edwards, master copywriter and creator of funnel scripts, and Russell build a funnel. So they take clients or customers' funnels who have called in or emailed in and say, hey, will you help me with my funnel? And they will go through and basically rebuild that funnel for them, add the copy, add the steps. So Russell himself is saying, this is what I would do to the funnel. So you get all different industries, all different types of people. So trust me, there is a funnel in there for you. But I also highly recommend you actually watch the video because you will learn a ton. I have watched every single one probably a couple times because I learn something new each time. This is my favorite place to go for funnels and for training. So you would just go in, once you're logged in, you would have all this. It is free, and you can just click on the past episodes. And don't be fooled by the title of the funnel. Sometimes it takes a while to load because they've got so many videos on here, and I think they also like upload. They have live videos they're uploading, but I feel like every time I go on here, it takes a second. Anyways, so don't get too caught up in the title. You'll want to go through and watch them, and some will be pretty self-explanatory. But even if you're not, obviously, even if you're not making homemade gin, maybe you're selling another physical product, so this funnel would still apply to you. Tennis elbow, right? This is somebody who's selling some sort of product to help with tennis elbow. All these still are going to help you greatly. Affiliate, if you're an affiliate marketer, watch this one and download this funnel. There's network marketing funnels. There's bridge funnels. I mean, every single one of these you're going to get information from. So what you can do is when you're done, you simply click grab this funnel. Now I'm not going to do it because it'll upload into my account. But if you're an existing ClickFunnels user, it'll automatically upload into your account. If you're not a ClickFunnels user, that's okay. It'll automatically upload and it'll show you a sample of the funnel. And then it'll say, would you like to start a 14-day free trial? So you can start a 14-day free trial, and then you can play around with your new funnel that you just uploaded and actually start using it during those 14 days. It can go live and you can run traffic to it and sell products. Many a story of people uploading their new funnels and making money within 14 days. So this is an awesome resource, guys. The second resource is once you are inside of ClickFunnels, there's something called Funnel Marketplace. You can only get this when you are inside ClickFunnels, but you can do this during your 14-day trial as well. So you have all these free funnels. Now you can get free and paid. The way to do that is to go to Shop Templates. I like to go up here and just go low to high. It'll give me all the free pre-populated templates. There are some insane templates in here. I built funnels for clients out of here and just simply changed, the colors and the fonts and all that kind of stuff, and you can charge money for it. You wouldn't just upload this and send it to them. You need to, change it appropriately. But I mean, look at this funnel here. This is a product launch funnel. Everything is pre-populated for you. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. You've got the order form. Everything is in there. All you got to do is change out the colors and logos and all that stuff. So all kinds of stuff. You got opt-in funnels, sport funnels, ebook funnels, membership funnels, and these are all right, sort from low to high, and you'll get all these free templates that you can upload into your account. All right, so I hope that was helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll put the links below. Have a great day.